Langanay, sir. Ibalik langanay sa tubang.
Unahan na lang. Unahan na lang.
Alright. So, pauna-una dyan, ha? Again, darwa ka beers. Ka ang imnan, sino ang maka-finish kang darwa, he will be our winner. So, we will be getting 2 winners as well sa part na dyan. So, hold your beers. Please, form one line. Sir, paglangawa form one line. Kaya naka-live kita ka dyan sa worldwide. Along with Miss International, naka-live kita ka dyan worldwide. So we can be seen sa USA, sa other parts of the world. So, boys, are you ready? Okay, music operator, in a count of 3 and 1, 2, 3! Okay, wala lang. Wala namang suka.